guys, my name is Chaz and you are watching All That Chaz. Today we will be doing a twist out. I started out with shampoo and conditioned hair and I used my denim and my detangling brush. Right here you see that I've just taken off my twist Turbie. This twist Turbie is like a towel that helps to take away the moisture or the water out of my hair. You want your hair to be damp but not drenching wet. Next, I'm using the Main Choices 4-Length Tight Curling Cream. And I'm going to apply that all over my hair from the root to the ends. Then I use my Camille Rose oil or whatever oil that you like to use. Apply it as well from the root to the ends. Not too much oil, guys. It's going to be real greasy. I'm going back in with my detangling brush because you want to make sure that your hair is not tangled. Here I got my spray bottle. My hair was drying out a little bit, so I wanted to make sure that it stayed damp. Your hair being damp really plays an important part in the moisturizing process. If your hair is not damp while you are applying the products, you will not have moisturized hair. And we don't want no Brillo pad hair. No ma'am. I parted my hair in the middle as well as parted my hair into sections. Here you see me twisting my sections. This helps to keep the water, moisture, or the water trapped into the sections longer while you style the other sections, if that makes any sense. Next, I'm using my Argon Oil Ecostyler Gel. Make sure you coat each section with this product. It's going to help with the hold of the twist, which also determines how long this style lasts. Okay, you see me twisting my hair. When I'm doing my hair on the left hand side, I twist my hair away from my face. You can also twirl the ends of the twist around your hand, and this helps to curl the ends. Okay, now we're in the middle section or the back section. This section is very important. Make sure that you part a section of hair directly in the middle of your head. If not, there's going to be a part that's going to go down in the back of your head and you don't want that. So this part is very important. I like to add, guys, that this style lasts me a week. After a week, I co-wash or condition my hair and then rinse it out and then restyle it. Even though it lasts a week, you might have to do a different style like a puff or use a headband or something of that sort or a mohawk, but it should last you a week. Alright guys, we're moving on to the right hand side. On this side, you're going to see me twist towards my face. I would also like to add, guys, that you need to make sure that your hair dries 5 to 6 hours before going to bed. You do not want to go to bed with your bonnet on with damp hair. This style will not turn out right if you do that. So that's just something for your information. Alright, thanks guys for hanging in there with me. We're almost finished. And here's the finished product. Alright guys, now it's time to slay these edges with this Ecostyler Gel. I don't use a brush, but you can if you like. I'd also like to add, guys, that Ecostyler Gel does not mesh with every product, so please test it on your hand to see if it leaves a white film. I want to give a shout out to my sister Zalmanda and my sis. I'm wearing her Breakout shirt. If you'd like to purchase one, I'll put the information in the description box. Thank you for watching All That Chaz, and until next time.